So today's topic, it is called analogy in numbers and figures. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ analogy ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll take an example in the if I explain it will be clear to understand. Okay. Can you see what I'm writing? ಇಲ್ಲಿ screen ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'm writing something. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. ಸೊ ಅನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಅನಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಫಿಗರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 2 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ 1 ಮೋರ್ ಫಿಗರ್, ದೆನ್ 4 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 1 ಮೋರ್ ಫಿಗರ್, 2 ಡಾಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. So idu meaning eno I'll explain the meaning now. Okay, so first before 4 dots andre this is one part. Okay, before 4 part, 4 dots before, this is one part, this is the other part. Okay, so illi eno first e part alli both the figures nodi and try to understand the relation between both the figures. Okay, if 2 figures or numbers, whatever it is given in the question, compare those 2 figures and adu relation enu andre from this figure figure how should I get, okay, how to get second figure from the first figure, adu relation enu anta first we should find out the relation. Okay, using that relation figure in the what will you get here, using the same relation what will you get here, question mark place alli, that will be your final answer. Okay, first question pattern enu artha aita, did everyone understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so same thing, first before 4 dots this is one part, after 4 dots this is the second part. Okay, so first part alli there will be 2 figures separated by 2 dots itara. Okay, so first figure in the second figure, how to get it, adu relation enu, first understand the relation. Okay, now move to the second part andre after these 4 dots one figure irutte and then there is a question mark. So illi
Option 1.
Okay, we'll check it, I'll mark it, let's check. Okay, so yeah, so same relation figure in the ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you should use the relation and find out. So first illi what is the relation, we'll check that. Okay, 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 so illi nodi the squares is same, inside letters nodi, here there is M, F and D, correct? Illi nodi first ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ symbol and like this. Okay, so first we'll try to match. Illi order nodi MFD, but illi whatever adu shape change ಆಯಿತು, but the letter order is FDM ಅಲ್ವಾ. So first step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first step last first whatever letter is there in the first, bring it to the last. Okay, that is the first step. Okay, understood? So illi A K P ಇದೆ, so what will be the order here, K P A. Okay, that is the first step. ಏನು first ಇರೋ alphabet bring it to the last, so this is the order. Now ivaga that is done, ivaga ನೋಡಿ what is happening here, F ಇಂದ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, it is just opposite, mirror image, correct? Symmetrical image or mirror image. So for K, what is the symmetrical image? This is the symmetrical image for K. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first letter done. Next letter nodi, D inda ee tara barbeku andre what are we doing here? Shift it by 90 degree left side shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, correct? So P, if you shift to 90 degrees, what will this P ether if you shift it? So even this is done. Idu nodi M in the W shape barbekandre what should I do? Just upside down flip madbeku. This is M. Same M upside down madi, you will get it like this. Correct? Yes or no? Idu artha aita? Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
So for A, what should I do? I should just make it upside down. A upside down madidre, what will I get? I'll get it like this. So now,
Answer.
Option 1.
yes, correct. Option 1. Same thing. See, same ide shape match up to this. So it is option 1. Artha aita, did everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we will quickly solve more questions. This is the second question. So illi nodi, again same thing, first divided into two parts. This is the given relation and this is the second part. Okay. So illi nodi, first one triangle is given, one shape ide. Illi nodi, the same shape upside down manner, if you overlap, you are getting this. See the same triangle. This is the triangle given. Okay, given triangle. Idu upside down madidre, what will I get? I will get it like this. Did you understand? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, same given triangle, na, I just made it upside down. So upside down madidre, I'll get it like this. Ivaga place one on other. This triangle, place it on this triangle. Then what will I get? First triangle, itara ide. Okay. Now I'll just place this triangle on this. And itara barutte. Someone's mic is on. Can you please turn it off? Okay. Okay, so ivaga nodi same shape we got, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Illi, what is the first step? First step, this figure, make it upside down. That is the first step. Second step, upside down figure, overlap on this. So now first given figure is this one. Okay.
Option 3. Ma'am, option 3.
Okay. Yes, option 3 is correct. Okay, we'll just check it out if it's correct or not. This is the given figure. Idu upside down draw madidre, how will I get? I'll get it like this. Okay, so now same idu, I should just overlap on this. Andre, first draw the given figure as it is. This is as it is. Matte idu just overlap madbeku. Andre, it will come like this. Yes, so is this matching option 3? This one? Everyone, can you tell me idu option 3, is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is matching. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now what is third? Can you see? Can you all see the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, same thing. This is one part. And this is the other one. Okay, so we'll see what is happening here. Okay, first E arrow in the idu, how to get it? Outwards arrow ideyalva. Wait, I'll tell you. Okay. So this ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ದಿಸ್ ಆರೋ ಔಟ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Option 5.
ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್?
5.
Option 5. Okay.
Ma'am, option 4.
Okay, we'll check 4 or 5. We will check. Okay. So first, e arrow in the idu how to get this figure. Let us try that. E tara ide. This one reverse ಮಾಡಿ. You will get it like this. Correct? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? First of all, everyone, did you understand this? E figure in the figure, how to get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ಈ line ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ends. What is there? It is like this. So illinda you're just making this like this. Okay, you're just making this like this. So first step is do that. Next, second figure nodi, it is like this. Push it up. If you bring it upwards, you will get this figure. Correct? Same thing, just tilt it upwards tilt ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by 90 degree tilt ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get this one. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but now ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ arrow whatever you are changing ಅದು second place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. second figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ tilt ಮಾಡಿ upwards ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, that will come in the first place. So first ಏನು ಇದು whatever change you make ಇದು down ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and whatever change you make ಇದು up ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay?
Option 3.
Okay, we'll check it. I'll check it now. So first figure ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಈ ಟೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕರ್ವ್ ನಾನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಶೇಪ್. Okay, did you understand this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first figure done. Second figure ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ till upwards 90 degree tilt ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is like this, tilt it upwards by 90 degree. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will come like this. Instead of this side line, the line will go upwards. Andre it will come like this. Now tell me what is the correct option?
Option 5.
3.
Option 5. Yes.
Option 5.
Correct. Option 5 is correct. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? It is not option 4. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟಾಪ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 5. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the next question. So we'll do this now. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Can you all see the fourth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ each figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ again 5 shapes ತರ ಇದೆ and one is blank. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are 5 shapes and one is blank. Let us see what is happening. Okay, so yeah, can you try? It's very simple. Just check ಮಾಡಿ what is happening here. ಇದು shapes ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ shapes place change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್? ಕೆನ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 dots. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್, 3 dots ಆರ್ ಡೌನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಈ ಫಿಗರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೌನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, these two are also changing places. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, here the triangle is in this position and this triangle is in this position. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, the place is changing. ಈ figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ this triangle is here, this triangle came to this position. Correct? Everyone, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So very simple. Only thing what is happening here, the shapes are going to opposite positions. So illi square ide and here it is empty space. So ee figure alli ideradu interchange agutte. So this is becoming empty space, illi square barutte. See, this is empty space and this has a square. Okay, so now relation eno artha aita? What is the relation here? Each shape's opposite place alli it is shifting. Okay, so the opposite shape will come to its place, this shape will go to the opposite place. So now tell me.
Option 2.
Option 2, yes, option 2 is correct. Let us check. So illi square and triangle opposite places only it will go. So square is here, triangle is here. Correct. Next, 3 dots and triangle. So idu shift agutte, triangle will come here, 3 dots will go here. Correct. Triangle is here, 3 dots are here. Next, these two, circle is here and idu empty space ide. So these two will shift again. Circle will come to this position and the empty space is coming here. That is also correct. Circle is here and this is the empty space. So option 2 is correct. Artha aita everyone? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now let us check this one. Okay, so first circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ circle 4 parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ divide ಆಗಿದೆ and each part has some number of dots. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, there is 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots and 4 dots. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ figure, how is it changing? Here there is 4, there is 1, there is 2 and there is 3. So ಇದು order, how is it changing? Let us check that. Okay, first let us check what is it. ನೀವು try ಮಾಡಿ. Can any one of you try? Even you guys try. Okay, so one possibility is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 3 2 4. ಓಕೆ, 1 3 2 4, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 2 3 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ suppose 2 and 3 are interchanged. Okay, andre these two are interchanged. After interchanging, what will be the order? It will be 1 2 3 4. Correct. After interchanging 2 and 3, what will be the order here? Order ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Can anyone try? See, I'm just saying interchange these two. Illi 3 dots ide and here there are 2 dots. Just interchange these two. ಈ 2 dots ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 dots ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So then what will be the order of dots starting from here? 1 2 3 4. Correct? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 2 3 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this circle is turned by 180 degrees. Andre wait, I'll tell you. Now the circle is like this, correct? 1 2 3 4. It is like this. I want to get it like this. 1 2 3 4. So what should I do? Turn it by 90 degrees. I'm sorry, 90 degrees. Correct? Imagine this circle na, turn it like this. Turn it like this by 90 degrees and you are getting this. Correct? So now let us try the same logic and let us see on answer Bharata. So first step, what did I do? Yes, did someone answer?
4.
Option 4.
Option 4. Okay, we'll option 4. Okay, we'll check it. So first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Interchange these two. Left side, right side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಈ 2 shapes interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct? So interchange, after interchanging, square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, triangle ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಆವಾಗ what will be the shape? It will be like this. Circle, square plus triangle. Idu I should shift by 90 degree. So then what will I get? Let's check. Shifting by 90 degree andre plus 0. Illi square and illi triangle. Yes. So what is the option here?
Option 4.
Option 4.
Yes, correct. Option 4 is correct. So understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. This is the next 6th question. Can you all see? Consider 6th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us see. Okay. So illi nodi, we'll see what is the relation first. Okay, so illi first there is a circle. Inside the circle there are 2 lines. See, nodi,
Option 5.
Ma'am,
option 5. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, it is very straightforward. So look here, the circle has 2 lines, correct? 2 vertical lines. So square only, same 2 vertical lines are used to divide the square. 1 2 and 1 2. And matte the 4th part here, illi it is shaded with lines, correct? So same pattern illi use agutte. Illi 2 lines are used, so here 3 lines will be used. Circle inside there are 3 lines. So same thing, andre you know, first horizontal 3 lines I'll draw. Yes, horizontal 3 lines I'll draw. Then again, 1 minute. Okay, then vertically 3 lines and shade the bottom part. So yes, option 5 is correct. Okay, that's good. Try this last question for today. Let us try this now. Neevu try madi. Even I'll explain it, but even you can try. Okay. So here first of all, illi 4 shapes ide. Even here same 4 shapes are there. So adu in which order is it changing places? Adu check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ವಿಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
Option
ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
2.
ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್.
Option 2.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one has moved to the first place. This one has moved to the first place. Third element is going to the first place. Andre idu first place alli irutte. Correct? Now finally remaining which position? Third position. So this will be in the third position. So first is this one. Correct? This is the first one. Second position is this one. Third position is this one. And finally fourth position is this one. So which option is it?
Option 2.
Option 2.
Option 2 is correct. Yes. So that's it. Ee tarane figures and numbers analogy andre it is simple like this. Okay, as I said, just ನೀವು relation between these two figures clear agi artha agudre, then it is very easy to answer. Okay, it is a very simple topic. You can score very well in this. Okay, so okay, then we'll end it here. That's it for today.